Hi everyone, this is T. Dinesh Kumar. In this video, I am going to elaborately explain you the different interdisciplinary applications of global positioning system. The first and foremost application of the GPS is it is used in aviation. Most of the modern aircraft uses GPS receivers to provide the pilots and passenger with real-time aircraft positioning. They also provide a map of various destinations depending on whether the aircraft operates, and this can be extended to an application of airline operators where they decide that which route is the safest, fastest and most fuel efficient among the destinations. They can be also used to track the aircraft and direct the pilot in case when there is an change in the weather conditions or if there is any issue due to emergencies. In marine applications, the GPS is highly accurate with the help of navigation app where it is being used by the boat captains to enable them to navigate through waters to their destinations. These applications ensure that the channels are clear and there are no obstacles that hinder their navigation. They are also required in the marine departments since they are used to map and position dredging operations in rivers, sandbars, weirs to ensure that other boats are aware of how deep they should get into. The next application is in farming. The farmers have a specific reason for planting, weeding, harvesting and repeating the same in the next seasons. They put the GPS receivers on their tractors and other farming equipments which allow them to map their plantations and ensure that they return to precisely the same time in planting or weeding in the next season. This strategy is effective especially in seasons when it's foggy with less visibility in the camera. The machine will operate still because the GPS is not based on the visualization of the reference guides. It is depending upon the positioning of latitude and longitude of the system. More so, its high accuracy makes it suitable for very high use applications in mapping soil sample locations, and the farmers can locate the areas that have soils suitable for farming. Next application is GPS is used in surveying. The GPS are essential especially since they are used in mapping, measuring various measures on the earth's surface and underwaters. It is used in determining land boundaries, mapping sea flows and highly the changes of the shape of the structures can be easily identified. The best thing about high accuracy GPS is that the surveyors can set it up over a single point and establish as a reference marker. They are also used in moving configuration to map the boundaries of a particular feature. With the data obtained from the application, they can easily inbuilt into a software and the details of the surveying can be obtained by the customer with a detailed chart. The most important application of GPS is that it is used in military. The United States Department of Defense was the first to develop the GPS app system. Since then, the system has been adopted by numerous military forces around the world. Other countries have also developed their own satellite navigation which works as a defense mechanism during their war times. Today there are different types of diverse use of this app which is used to map the location of vehicles and other machineries such as missiles during any emergencies or during any wars. The next application is in the field of science and technology. This is the one field where the GPS app is used intensively in numerous branches and departments in the science field that includes physics, biology, earth science and to mention a few. The scientists used metal and plastic bands to tag to the animals and they follow them to the various locations while monitoring them. However, since the invention and enhancement of the navigation app, it has helped scientists to fit the animals with collars and the app can be automatically recorded. The animal's movement and its information is transmitted through a satellite to the researcher or to the scientist. This means that they can trace the location of the animal's movement without having to relocate them physically. Most of the sciences taught in schools will have more practical evidence, especially in the GPS, which provides accurate data. The Earth scientist also uses the GPS app to study how landscapes changes over time or any geographical area that they may be interested in. The next application is that the GPS are used in financial services such as banks. They used to schedule the money transfer informations by using the date, time and the stamp over that. The financial organizations such as banks, small banks or larger banks use this app to schedule and determine local and international money transfer informations. They are also used in providing audit trails of financial transactions, more so since more than 80% of the transactions nowadays are made through debit cards or credit cards or through online transactions. So the GPS satellite is used in an appropriate function such the financial field, where it can allow to locate and estimate the date and timestamps of the electronic fund transfers. In telecommunications, the mobile telephones use this app to provide its users with accuracy, reliability and their stability of operations. Although the other clocks also provide this, the GPS supports the derivation of synchronized time zones with the help of satellite signals. Where different time zones are being used in different countries, all the synchronization can be done with the help of a single satellite signal. So which is the special part of the telecommunication part application. In heavy vehicle guidance, it is used in mining, constructions and also used in tracking the vehicles. For example, in highway construction, the marker pegs, surveyors have been replaced by the improvised in-cabin vehicle guidance and control systems. This makes the work easier since the driver only needs to follow the surveyor's program cited plan. Thus, with this app, the constructors can achieve close tolerance for positioning, gradient and level. In road transportation, the GPS are being used by many users, where the taxi services, emergency vehicle location, commercial fleet management, foreign tracking, public transport monitoring, dispatching and navigation are the main applications in road transportation. The private car owners also use this app, and most of the new car models come with an inbuilt factory fitted GPS for tracking. In social activities, these are being incorporated in the devices for doing cross country cycling, skiing, hiking, skydiving, paragliding, geotagging photographs, geocoaching and geodashing among others. In locating positions, GPS navigation system is commonly used to designate positions that is being used by travelers, researchers and everyday citizens. This is also used to locate websites that offer certain services in your country or in the independent countries. Depending upon that, the certain websites would be blocked by people and certain websites it will be opened in order to determine the specific locations. In some countries they will be providing only the information which is relevant to civilians, and in some countries it will be opened only for military users. For example, if you are looking for a website that offers academic assistance in your area, such as online custom writing service, then as long as your GPS location is allowed into the website, you will get a list of recommendable websites such that you can refer them for your studies. The GPS is also used for tracking in law enforcement, where the police use it during investigations to catch the suspects and criminals, tracking them such that the common people doesn't get affected by them. The GPS is used in locating the pets. Pets such as cats, dogs, any other animals can be easily distracted and they go missing. So a GPS microchip will help in locating your pet's location easily. So keeping a watch of the elderly can also be done using GPS, where some elderly people will not like when someone is monitoring them, and they at times wander alone in unfamiliar places and may find it difficult to trace their way back home. So in those cases, if they require any assistance or medical emergencies, they can just press a button which they be having. So this device will alert to the caretaker, and in turn they will be addressed appropriately. So they come in tiny units that can be used on their clothes. Some also use wearable watches that cannot be conspicuous. In seeking treasures, the GPS are being extensively used, where the hunting treasures with friends are being done in online games. The clues are hidden in sites programmed on treasure maps, and these maps are uploaded onto a particular website where people join and compete for prizes and play. In securing artworks, some paintings which are worthwhile in millions are susceptible to theft. So if they are being insured, the owners also can use trackers as an additional security to help them locate when they get stolen. During solo travels, traveling to a new location is not advisable. So if you are going for a solo traveling, have a tracer with you such that it will alert people when you face any endangers or get lost. In hunting and fishing, this technology allows you to mark the spots that you want to return to your next hunting or fishing trip, where a mark can be done using this GPS technology. The next application is the easy access to emergency roadside support, where in case of accident or an emergency we can seek in assistance using the pre-programmed emergency numbers on the smartphones or Android mobiles. So the best thing about using this app is that emergency crew can trace the location easily and provide the details what we require. In GPS technology, which is combined with the intelligence vehicle highway systems, is used to improve the highway safety and ease congestion. The integrated traffic management system requires accurate data that is available in real time, which ensures that the necessary authorities can manage the travel time and speed to monitor and control congestion. Thus, this GPS is used to collect the required data, and it has been proved to be 50% more efficient in terms of manpower. The GPS is also used in public safety and disaster relief, where the best thing about GPS is that it can be used in any weather or environmental conditions, which is the reason why it is the preferred for usage during disaster management. The emergency vehicles and supplies are being tracked using GPS. And appropriate measures are being taken. Next, in the field of robotics, the GPS provides direct information to the robotics as it does for humans, and the GPS enhances navigation of mobile robots and makes them applicable to diverse fields such as outdoor industrial work, mapping and agriculture, where direct human interface can be minimized. This can be used by disabled people who require special needs at times when they are being left when there are no caretakers. The GPS tracker is not only used to track their location, but it also is useful in during the case of emergencies. Nowadays, GPS is being implemented in school bus tracking. The school bus GPS tracking system is used in gathering information about which route is the most efficient, where the bus driver is having the buses in real time. The school management can use this technology to ensure that the bus drivers follow the authorized routes and they do not take unnecessary breaks during working hours too. Picking up of students and dropping them back can be easily tracked. Next is the trailer tracking. GPS trailer tracking system is an important aspect that improves the security and increases efficiency, thereby reducing the cost also. The management can use the GPS app tracking system to monitor their fleet and equipment. It also provides accurate and detailed reporting, which gives the owner a peace of mind. In boat tracking, it protects the boats that are being stolen. Installing a navigation app allows you to see the location of the boat in real time. Most these are being used in seashores or in river banks or during fishing. It also used in reducing the fuel consumption. This GPS technology not only gives you peace of mind, but it also allows you to effectively schedule the hours of delivery and the route that is fuel efficient. In business tracking, it is used by various businesses ranging from small, medium to larger organizations to remain competitive in this world. The technology provides business owners with real-time information about their businesses and other relevant informations. The devices vary depending upon the business, but there is a whole lot of advantages that a company can obtain by using a business tracking system. It is also used in live recording, like live stream video and tracking of other users of GPS app. And the best thing about is that it offers real-time data and you can record activities as they happen, and through the transmission of satellites you can view the happening millions miles away. The Facebook Live is an best example. We can use this GPS in speed monitoring. The GPS tracker provides accurate speed estimates of a vehicles or fleets, which are used to transmit to a central hub where they can read in real time and record for future references also. This also keeps track of speed that allows you to reduce the cost of fuel as a consumption, a lesser number of speed tickets, reducing the rate of accidents and minimizing wear and tear of your vehicles. The next application is graphics reporting. The navigation app is useful in providing a graphic report of the occurrences as they happen. This could be either the distance covered or the fuel consumed. In geomapping and landmarking, the GPS system provides integrated and accurate landmarking and mapping information, which is known to be highly accurate and faster than any conventional strategy, which minimizes the labor required and less amount of equipment to be used. It is also used in electronic and rough topographic maps, where the app is effective in creating coordinates for contour and topographic maps. And the best thing is that it is accurate, convenient, and can be used in any location without requiring much supervision. It is also used in tracking luggages and laptops. If we install a GPS tracking in our luggage system or in a laptop, it will be helpful in locating them if they are stolen. It is also used in tracking family and friends in crowded gatherings. When visiting places with huge crowds, it is easy to get separated from your loved ones, which could be very scary in nature. So in this case, carrying a tracking system will help track and find them easily. When going on a vacation, we get lost easily during a travel to a new location. So if you have a GPS mapping system that can help us using a navigation app, such that if any services is required during emergencies, it can be done easily. Listening to hidden conversations. There are certain monitoring devices very specifically that are capable of listening to private conversations through audio recording using GPS. This is mostly used by government agencies where authorities require some permissions that can be fitted onto recording devices in somebody's house, offices or cars, or tracing the movements of them or recording their informations. It is used in accessing vehicles from mobiles, PCs or tablets. Linking up your vehicle with a tracking system can give your mobile device enabling that you can monitor the location of your vehicle in real time. This is also useful when your vehicle has been stolen or when someone you had given your car or your vehicle for rent. You can track it easily where it is. Immobilizing the vehicle in case of a theft is a great application where certain tracking systems allows you to immobilize your car if stolen. The thing is that the person who has stolen the car cannot use it further. This app will shut the vehicle even when it's in motion and will help you to get back to your vehicle with ease as well as give you peace of mind. In setting up a geofence, The GPS technology is used in tracking, knowing the directions, and it also utilized in geofencing, which alerts you whenever a person or object enters or exits from your chosen area. A geofence is a virtual border that is set up within seconds, and you are notified through text or SMS or email whenever a GPS tracer tracks the crosses the chosen area. It is also used in SOS alarm in case of emergencies. The SOS alarm utilized the navigation system that can be installed either in a mobile phone or a computer or a laptop or a PC that will notify you whenever your loved one presses it. You can use it for your children or the elderly in case of emergencies. It is also used in direct fault motion measurement in earthquakes. This app is used in measuring earthquakes by measuring the millimeter scale movements of the crust between earthquakes. Although it does not measure the actual shaking of the ground caused by the earthquake, but it records the displacement of stations during earthquakes. It is also used in nearby area searches such as hotels, hospitals, oil stations, government offices that will track the location and provide what information or data that you want to scan or obtain. It can search and book a hotel near your area. The Google app is doing that, and the best thing about this app is that it is accurate and provides real-time data. It is also used in tracking environmental disasters such as fires, oil spills. It is efficient in tracking disasters in real time which have taken much time without any applications. Fires, oil spills can happen in any areas, so that gives adverse weather conditions, so it can be easily monitored and an appropriate action can be done at the earliest. It is also used in improving accuracy of weather forecasts. Upholding the accuracy of weather forecasts is the major aim of many GPS systems. The technology used in projecting temperature levels both at ground and at that of atmosphere can be recorded easily. The GPS has made aerial studies much easier and effectively, where the aerial studies are one of the most impenetrable studies that have been boosted by the GPS. It is being extensively used in studying wildlife, terrains, human infrastructure, and so on. This has been made possible by tagging imaginary with the help of GPS coordinates. Monitoring the migration patterns of endangered species. It is very easy to use the app to identify the migratory patterns of endangered species, especially nowadays the mountain gorilla of Rwanda is being endangered, so that can be easily monitored. This can help prevent the reduction of population. The GPS is used in efficient management of logging of forests and delineation of borders. The use of mapping information is used to control logging in forests. The navigation app provides real-time data of the happenings in a certain region, and the authorities can use to monitor any delineation in their borders. This also helps to solve disputes between landowners. In the case where there are border disputes, this app is used to provide unbiased geographic borders to the existing information. It provides accurate coordinates and directions also. The GPS gathers accurate and timely information. Providing accurate and timely information, which is the primary use of GPS, can be used to provide location and directions among other users as discussed above. Its accuracy is seen in the fields such as military, agriculture, mining, surveying, and others. There are many uses and applications of GPS as discussed above, and the system's information is available to anyone and anywhere with no charges. We need to only get access of these receivers for the data. This technology is useful in any industry in the world, and it impacts our lives in various ways, some of which we may not be aware of. References for my presentation is Lange RB, why is the GPS signal so complex in the GPS world? Ben Hoffman, Wellenhoff, H. Riginger and J. Collins, GPS theory and practice. Hellenic GPS satellite surveying, John Willisons. Wells D. et al. Guide to GPS positioning. Kaplan E. Understanding GPS principles and applications. Shaw M.K. Sandhu and Turner, modernization of the global positioning system. Langley R.B. The mathematics of GPS. Conley R.F. Life after selective availability. B. Parkinson, J. Springer Jr., GPS theory and applications. A. Klunsberg and P. Twinsin, GPS for geodesy. Ahmad L. Rabani, Introduction to GPS, the global positioning system. For any questions, you can comment in my comment box. For further videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.